Welcome to for today's videos. Ngayong gabi ay habang naglalaba ako, kakanta ako ngayon ng kay Matt Monro na pinasikat na niyang ang Where Do I Begin. Welcome to my channel, Sardon Vlog TV. Bago ang lahat ng yan, mag-intro muna tayo. At bago ang lahat ng yan, shoutout nga pala sa iyo, Christia Serdon. At shoutout sa iyo, Clyde, Madam Alpa, at Boss Sherwin, sa inyong mag-asawa, shoutout. At shoutout kay Arvin Tabora at kay Arvin Nunez, shoutout. At shoutout kay Marquez at shoutout kay Ninyo Lawig. At shoutout sa buong production dyan, sa lahat ng mga nakakikilala sa akin. At shoutout nga pala kay Rowena Kylie ng Singapore at kay Lynn Reblando ng Hong Kong at kay Desiree Mangubat ng Talisay, Batangas. Shout out. At huwag niyong kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking channel, Sardon Vlog TV, para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong i-upload na mga video. At ito, Where Do I Begin? Ito nakakantahin ko na ang kay Matt Monro. Where do I begin to tell the story of how great a love can be? The sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love she brings to me. Where do I start? With first hello, she give a meaning to this empty world of mine. There's never another love, another time. She came my life and made the living fine. She fills my heart. She fills my heart. On every special thing, with angel song, with will imagining. She fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'm never lonely. With her alone, who could lonely? I reach for hand, it's always there. How long does the last? Till love be measured by the hours and a day. I had no answer now, but this much I can say. I no need her till the star all born away. She will be there. How long this love can not be measured by my hours. I have no answer now, but this much I can say. I know neither here till the star are born away. It shall be.